Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Rajni Agrawal, President, Federation of Indian Women Entrepreneurs. I'm just wondering that this pandemic has created a lot of issues for women in business, especially they cannot showcase their products, whatever they are producing. They have no opportunities left where physical presence and the product showcasing on one to one basis is possible. And that is why I feel that it is important to hold virtual exhibitions. It will have lot many benefits. It will revive brand awareness. It will refresh industry visibility. It will have potential for B2B networking. It will have the employment opportunities and it will also generate leads. Friends, we as women entrepreneurs or as such an entrepreneur should not leave any opportunity which helps us increasing our business. Reviving brand awareness is so important because if we are not able to showcase our product physically, it's very important that through virtual exhibitions we show our products. Our refreshing industry visibility because unless people know us that we are still revived, we are still alive, people will think that we are whether here or we are not here because lot many people are facing the problem of dying out. And this opportunity of virtual exhibition creates a platform where we can showcase that yes, we are still there and the business is possible and we are trying have creative innovative solutions for personal need to able to demonstrate efficiency of our product, efficiency of the improved visibility which is enabling the public to know and understand that they can have the product, they can buy the product in spite of the pandemic. Friends, through the platform, the potential for B2B networking is very important. We can talk to each other. In the last program, you have seen that people were talking about it. Even amongst the exhibitors, people were trying to talk and people were trying to understand and were trying to establish contacts. So it's very, very important that B2B networking opportunity is taken care of. And if we have the business growth, we can also have the employment opportunities. And then generating leads is also a very, very important issue. As you know, that even if you get 7 people, 6 people, 5 people, or 2 people talking about your product, at least you are getting some leads for business. And the business who have lost important clients because of the pandemic would have another shot at generating new leads, another potential clients through the exhibitions. Now, what are the key takeaways? The exhibition industry plays an important role in rebuilding economy of during the COVID-19. It is going to help address many, if not all, concerns of several businesses struggling through this pandemic. So, friends, business would eventually begin thriving through an increase in exposure through exhibition and business activities. So, what we should do is not lose this opportunity. In turn, we would be able to produce innovations that can address public demands while contributing to rebuild the economy. Friends, it's a good opportunity. Everything negative has its positive. So we should take this benefit and try to rebuild our businesses through virtual exhibition. I invite all of you to come forward to participate in the virtual exhibitions organized by Federation of Indian Women Entrepreneurs. In the series of the Pragati exhibitions, this is our second series, and we are planning to have a very separate exhibition for the women who are in industry, service industry, because service industry requires altogether a different platform, different leagues, where women want to know more about the kind of products they are selling, they are preparing, and they are innovating. So this time we are going to have product exhibition, and I look forward for you to come forward without thinking too much and participate in this endeavor to bring forward women entrepreneurs in during this pandemic into their mainstream of businesses. Thank you very much. All the best to you.